Educate and raise the masses, and thus alone a nation is possible, said Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, I am Neha Kamra from St. Vivekananda Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore, Haryana, India, your virtual moderator of this Global Award Ceremony of Srijnoday 2021, which is not a competition, it is to bring our talent, all winners. And today, on behalf of St. Vivekananda Millennium School, I heartily welcomes all of you present. It is a matter of great honor and pleasure to appreciate the hard work and the performance of all the students who made us all proud. St. Vivekananda Millennium School, my school, believes in inspiring the students to become a responsible and successful citizen with a vision to impart modern education firmly rooted in our cultural and moral values, enriched with the immensely valuable Panch Kosh. The word Panch stands for 5 and word Kosh means sheath or shell. Therefore, Panch Kosh means 5 shells of human body. The 5 kosh are Annamaya Kosh, Pranamaya Kosh, Manomaya Kosh, Vijnanamaya Kosh and Anandamaya Kosh. Our mission, the school's mission, is to create a unique blend of our traditional Indian education system and modern learning tools to enhance the overall personality of our students and create an awakened generation of tomorrow. Thus, the school is marching ahead with its aim to make the students the ideal citizen of India like Swami Vivekananda, physically strong, mentally balanced and spiritually enlightened. Following the tradition, as we always start our every important work with the lighting of lamp, so I would request our Principal Sir and Vice Principal Ma'am to do the honor. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Swami Vivekananda is our apostle. Let's take his blessing by offering him garland.
Om Malyadini Sugandhini Malyadini Vedyamu Maya Vitani Pushpani Pujatam Pratigriyatam Pujatam Pratigriyatam Om Jnana Bhakti Pradataram Padmaksham Gauravigraham Dhyaye Devam Jyotipunjam Lokakalyanakarinam Partatve Sadalino Ramakrishna Samagyaya Yo Dharma Sthapanarato Viresham Tam Namamyaham Viresham Tam Namamyaham.
Thank you, everyone. May I now request our Principal Sir, Mr. Piyush Punj, the sculptor of human character, a bibliophile, the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, a compassionate personality, are invigorated to inaugurate this grand event of result declaration of Srijnoday, the Smriti Samaroh. Sir, could you share a few words with us?
Namaste. A very good morning to all. My faith is in the younger generation and the modern generation. Out of them will come my workers. They will work out the whole problems like lions. Arise awake and stop not till the goal is reached. We want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Who quoted all these? He was a great saint of India, Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is a person whom I say is a complete man. Swamiji was a spiritual philosopher, good at music, physically strong, love for humankind, love for Mother India, good knowledge of science, voracious reader, motivational speaker, a lover of mankind. He strove to promote peace and human brotherhood on the spiritual foundation of the Vedantic oneness of existence. He gave a lot of thrust on self-confidence. Does this person not requires a recognition, an introduction to the youth? Yes. With this reason, we started Srijnoday, the search, the honing of the talent. And on his birthday, every year, we celebrate Srijnoday, Vivekananda Smriti Samaroh. This year, we are celebrating 20th Srijnoday. Every year, we do it with the schools of Tri-City in Haryana, that is Panchkula, Chandigarh and Pinjore. But due to the COVID, this year we have expanded. As per Swamiji, if mountain cannot come to Muhammad, let Muhammad goes to the mountain. So this year we have reached to you for the mission what we have been doing from last 19 years. This is all blessing in disguise. Due to COVID, we could reach you. Otherwise, we would have been again doing this activity within our small area. I'm very happy and I welcome you all from different states of India. This year it is not only the states of India, this is different countries of the world also. I welcome you in UK, I welcome you in Australia, I welcome you in Nigeria, I welcome you in Dubai, I welcome you in other countries also which I have missed. Srijnoday. Srijnoday is basically divided into 5 parts. Gyanoday, Abhasoday, Bhavoday, Kalaoday and Pranoday. As the school is working on the philosophy of Panchakosha, similarly, through these 5 competitions, we have tried to hone your talent. Sorry, I spoke competition because 2 years back we were conducting this as competition. But from last year, we have made it as an activity where we give appreciation to all the students. We give them the grading according to their performance. There is no competition amongst the students. It is only the development of yours, and with that development, you are being given a performance grade. Swamiji used to say that he had a faith in younger generation, and he said through them will come my workers and who will roar like lions. I won't be taking your long time. I narrate a story of his. Once in a jungle, there was a pregnant lioness. She attacked flock of sheep, and during that time, due to some reason, she died and she gave birth to a cub. That cub started moving with that flock of sheep, and that flock of sheep took care of that cub. They feed that cub, and later on, when that cub grew a little bit older, it started eating grass also. And it used to do the ba 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 as the sheep were doing. So he learned only to do as the sheep were doing. Once a lion came to that jungle. When he saw a lion is moving amongst these folk, and it is not hurting anyone, and it was also speaking the same language as the sheep, he carried away that lion, and that lion started again speaking like the sheep, like it has been trapped by a lion. That lion took him to a water place and showed him, see yourself. When that lion saw himself in the water and he could see the lion, and he said, now roar like me. When that lion tried to roar, he could not do it in the first instance, but later on, when that lion roared, it was a lion that was the voice of a lion. So Swamiji also wanted that the youth of India should have the same courage, same capacity to do the works as a lion. So children, through this competition, we have tried to bring a self-confidence in you. We want you to be the confident citizen. It was really nice seeing your presentations. I appreciate your teachers, I appreciate your principal, I appreciate the management of your school, who on our request made you to participate in this competition. This year, it was a very good experience for us, and we make it sure that every year we do the same. Thank you and God bless you all. Namaste.
Thank you, sir, for showering your blessing. We feel fortunate to be a part of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, and it is an honor to work under your guidance and leadership. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our eminent guest, Swami Atmagyananandji, Secretary, Sri Ramakrishna Ashram, Chandigarh.
Dear students and admirers of Swami Vivekananda, I am happy to be addressing you all today on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, which is being celebrated by Saint Vivekananda Millennium School of Pinjore, Haryana. It's wonderful that they have organized a competition, an online competition for you all called Srijanoday 2021 on behalf of Vivekananda Smriti Samaroh. I am happy that you have all participated with enthusiasm and will be projecting various aspects of Swami Vivekananda through various media, through paintings, through essay competitions, through poems, exhibiting all your talents in diverse ways. Swami Vivekananda was one of the greatest heroes that Mother India produced, that Mother India has born for us to carry the message of Indian tradition, Indian scriptures, and the ancient history of India to the world across. So he stands as a beacon, a searchlight to know India. Mahatma Gandhi said, after reading Vivekananda, my love for India became 1,000-fold. So that is Vivekananda. You touch Vivekananda, you read Vivekananda, and Vivekananda enters into you, consumes you, captures you. All those who saw Vivekananda once or heard him once could never forget him. That was his personality. Such a wonderful, divine, magnetic personality that he could completely capture the minds of his audience and those who even met him once in their lifetime. Swamiji accomplished something remarkable within his short span of life. He lived hardly for 40 years. He was not even 40 when he passed away. But see the amount of output that a single person could bring out in his lifetime. He achieved world success at the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893 when he was just 28. And the way in which he expressed the sentiments of the Indian people, the way in which he addressed the public there as sisters and brothers of America, showed the vast experience that he had acquired through his contact with Sri Ramakrishna, the spiritual basis of his understanding of humanity. He could look upon others, he could see others as belonging to him, that the whole world is one family. That is why he addressed everybody as sisters and brothers of America. So this breadth of vision, this universal outlook, this understanding of other cultures, respect for other religions is something that we need to cultivate, imbibe from Swami Vivekananda. If we are followers of Swami Vivekananda, if we admire Swami Vivekananda, then it is important that we learn to inculcate, learn to educate ourselves in the basic ideas which molded the personality of Swami Vivekananda. One is the tremendous activity, that youthfulness, that freshness which was there in Swami Vivekananda. He represents the youth. The youth is full of fresh ideas, willing to experiment, find out the truth. And that is what Swami Vivekananda represents. He came to Sri Ramakrishna asking for have you seen God? That was a question that Swami Vivekananda asked all the great men who were there in Calcutta at that time. That was the question he placed before Sri Ramakrishna also. And Sri Ramakrishna directed him to a spiritual experience through which he could see God in each and every creature, manifested in every other aspect of humanity. So that is how he could look upon men and women as manifestations of that same God, which is called as Samadarshitva in the Upanishads, in the Bhagavad Gita. So this was the highest point of realization through which Swami Vivekananda interacted with the world. He could rouse the spiritual genius within each and every individual. That is why he says education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. It is the bringing out of the creativity, the perfection, the innate divinity which is there within each one of us, irrespective of caste, creed, race, religion or sex. So Swami Vivekananda represents the highest aspects of Indian culture, spirituality. If we can imbibe, if we can absorb from Swami Vivekananda ideas which can make our personality a better person, if we can improve our personality based on Swami Vivekananda's teachings, there is nothing like that. Vivekananda is a youth icon. Indian government has recognized his immense contribution to Indian culture and spirituality and therefore made him the role model of the Indian youth. But unfortunately, most of our youth do not study Vivekananda. We need to read Vivekananda. We need to absorb those life-building ideas from Vivekananda. So one thought of Vivekananda can change one's personality. If you can read one thought of Vivekananda every day, there are so many books which give wonderful ideas of Vivekananda. The complete works of Vivekananda are there. His lectures from Colombo to Almora are there. His writings are there. So these are inspiring messages which can change your life pattern, make you somebody who can bring up, somebody who can develop their own personality and also the society around them. This was the emphasis of Vivekananda. It is not only our selfish goal that we need to achieve. It is not only our life that we need to look into. We need to cater to the society. We need to think about the country, think about the world. Let us become global individuals. Let us expand our personality so that we can think about others' problems and others' miseries. A young lad, a young youth came to Vivekananda when he returned from the West and when he was staying in Castle Karnan, the ice house in Chennai, and wanted to meet Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda gave him an audience and asked him what the problem was. The youth said, I have been trying to meditate, I have been trying to concentrate, but I am unable to do so. I'm not able to concentrate my mind. My mind is restless. So Swamiji asked him, what do you do when you try to concentrate? He said, I just close the doors and windows, make the room dark and sit down to meditate. Swamiji said, that's the first mistake that you're doing. Open up the windows, open the doors, put on the lights, see the miseries around the world, see how people are suffering around you. Try to respond, help them as much as possible. So this is the view of Swami Vivekananda.
Thank you, Swamiji. We are grateful for the valuable time you took out for us. Your words are always a source of encouragement, leading us on the path of mankind. Reading about Swami Vivekananda ji becomes a part of our life now. The reason behind it is USOL. So let's welcome our speaker of the day, Mr. Sudhir Baweja, Assistant Professor, Vivekananda Study Course, USOL, Punjab University, Chandigarh, India.
Namaskar and Jai Hind. Accept my Republic Day greetings also. I am indeed delighted to be a part of Srijanoday, which to me is a very creatively conceived event to celebrate the all-round development of young students. I thank my friend Piyush ji for this kind invite. January happens to be a very special month of the year when we celebrate National Youth Day, Subhash Chandra ji's birthday, as well as Republic Day. We cannot talk of one without talking of the other. At Punjab University, where I teach, I mostly talk to my senior students. But today, I have this brilliant opportunity to address my very young students. It indeed is a matter of great pleasure to share my feelings and my thoughts with my very young friends. Let me begin by asking a very simple question to you, friends. Who is that person whom you consider to be so close to you that he or she understands your feelings even if you have not even shared it with him? Who's that person whom you look forward to seeing when you are the happiest as also in your gloomy spirits? Who's that fortunate one with whom you wish to chat, play, cry, eat, study? You must have guessed it right, friends. He or she is your friend. A real friend is one, says Walter Winchell, who walks in when the rest of the world walks out of your life. Yes, your friend is your life's greatest gift. He is your mightiest strength. And of course, your softest weakness also. Ever since my friend has walked into my life, my inertia is gone. My imagination has soared. My spirit is awakened. My strength is increased. My intellect has expanded. My character has become stronger. My excellence is in my view. Yes, I am talking of my friend Swami Vivekananda. He is my best friend. Today, I take this opportunity to share what I have gained and learned from my friend Vivekananda. I call him my lifelong friend. Whenever my friend comes to my mind, the first thing which occurs to me is the idea of self-confidence. He is not only an epitome of confidence himself, he, like a good friend, inculcates in all the friends around him. Whosoever came in his contact, he converted him into a very confident person. He taught me that I have to overcome all my fears, nurture my self-faith, develop my concentration, make some good habits in my life, and build a strong character. Confidence means we can have faith, we can rely upon, we are above the feeling of uncertainty, and we are sure that we can do whatever we wish to do. It's rightly said, with confidence, you have won before even you have started. Hope you'll also master this great quality Vivekananda, my friend, taught it to me. Tagore used to say, in him, that means in Swami Vivekananda, everything is positive and nothing negative. Yes, my friend, Vivekananda keeps me positive and it gives me the biggest strength of my life. Life comes with its brighter side also, with its darker side also. It is your choice which one you want to stay at. And we should always cultivate the optimistic temperament and endeavor to see the good that dwells in everything. This is what Swami Vivekananda says. So see positives in everything. To be positive, we must also learn to control our negative emotions like hatred, fear, jealousy, anger, or even wickedness. So just remember, when we throw a ball at the wall, it will come back to us. So similarly, our vicious thoughts will also rebound. Every thought of hatred which you have thought will one day come back to you, says Swami Vivekananda. So he asks us to shun negativity and embrace positivity. Leave hate and develop love. And always be positive in our life. Hedy Wills once said, a friend is someone who makes it easy to believe in yourself. My friend Vivekananda also taught me to believe in myself. Faith moves mountains, as people say, and faith in self is the biggest strength one can inculcate in one's life. You don't have to go anywhere or any far to learn this very good quality, to learn this power of self-faith. Hope you haven't forgotten this very recent test series win by India in Australia. You remember? In the first test, we were bundled for 36 all out in an innings, the lowest ever score by Indian cricket team. In the second test, Jadeja showed courage and he counter-attacked. In the Sydney test, it was Hanuma Vihari and it was Ashwin and Pujara, of course, and Rahane. They were resolute. They fought. And in the fourth test, we outclassed all Australians by a positive Pant, a resolute Rahane, a tough Thakur, dashing Sundar and Shubman, and courageous Natarajan. So all this became possible only because these youngsters had self-faith in their endowments, in their capacities, and self-faith in their team spirit. Vivekananda asks us not only to develop self-faith, he even asks us to practice it well in our day-to-day life also. So he even goes out to say, he who has no faith in himself can never have faith in his God. So, as simple as that, you are an atheist if you do not believe in your own self. Have faith in yourself and conquer whatever you wish to conquer. Friends, you must have heard a lot about people saying that he is a man of character. This kind of compliments normally are showered on people who are really very strong. So how can we really get these kind of compliments from life, that he is a man of good character? That means he is a man, or he or she is a man of good qualities. He has got moral strength. He is a man of integrity. He is a man of truthfulness and virtues. So it means that if you have to rise in life, get the appreciation of the world and compliments of the world, then you have to develop character. You can ask how. My friend Vivekananda taught this to me, that our character is the sum total of all our habits, the aggregate of all the impressions of whatever we do, good or bad. So, if you want to leave good impressions, take only good actions. So we want to develop good habits, to develop good character. And if we have identified any of our habits which is not good, he has got a solution for that also. So we can kill that bad habit by creating a new habit, creating a counter habit. So if we tell lies, start speaking the truth, come what may. So remember his word always. Character is a repeated habit. And repeated habit alone can reform character. Stand up, be bold and be strong. All of us must have heard my friend Vivekananda's Face the Brutes story at Varanasi. I hope you remember that. Many of times it must have been told to you by your teachers. You remember when he was in Varanasi, he was chased by big and very fierce and tough monkeys. First Vivekananda started to run away. And the way he started running away, the monkey started chasing him more fiercely. So he had no solution. What to do? It was a very tough challenge which he was facing. So a voice from behind of a monk came, face the brutes. And he stood tall and faced those fierce monkeys. They ran away. So what lesson he got? He got that lesson that be tough and never run away from the challenges. Face the challenge instead and win your own battles with strength. So friends, challenges of your life are even tougher and fiercer than monkeys. They will not run away like monkeys. They will stay tall and give you a fiercest challenge every time. So be tough, stand tall and prepare yourself to face the challenges. Remember, challenges get the best out of you. And more you face those challenges, the better you will become always. Friends, I can go on and on and on. And honestly, I have just begun. That is Vivekananda, my lifelong friend. You too can send your friend request to him today. I hope many of you might also be started to consider him as your friend. So what you have to do is, and one thing, he will never decline your friend request. You don't have to do anything important to send a handshake to him. Simple. Pick any of his writings. Start reading it. He starts talking to you. He starts nurturing a friendship with you, friends. And I would urge that you make him a lifelong friend. Vivekananda, your lifelong friend. You will not need another friend. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for patiently listening to me. I believe you have got a friend for your life. Swami Vivekananda. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. We are very glad to have you in this event. Thank you so much. Next, let us have a look of our school premises through a virtual tour. Moving further, succeeding in life is as simple as being a good student. All you have to pay attention, work hard and give it the best shot. Yes, I am talking about Srijnodaya. From last years, nearby schools were participating in this competition with full enthusiasm. But now, because of this virtual platform, we have received the entries not from Tri-City but all over the India and abroad. I would now like to request Monica and Jaskirat, organizers and supervisory of the Srijnoday to give a better and comprehensive inflation of this array of competition Srijnoday.
The very essence of education is concentration of mind, not the collection of fact. And the goal of education is mankind. Namaste. With this quote of Swami Vivekanand, myself Monica,
myself Jaskirat,
we would like to extend our heartiest welcome to one and all present over here. We feel honored to be a part of Srijnoday Vivekanand Smriti Samaroh.
it is the matter of pride to share that Saint Vivekanand Millennium School celebrates Swami Vivekanand birth anniversary as Srijnoday every year.
It has been 19 years since we have been celebrating Srijnoday with zeal and enthusiasm.
The objective of this event is to inculcate the character building teaching of Swami Vivekanand and to develop the interest of children in emotional, social, physical, spiritual and intellectual virtues.
So, Srijnoday provide the children a platform to showcase their talent without the stress of winning or losing. They experience a healthy and harmonious environment.
We at Saint Vivekanand Millennium School believe that every child desires to get an individual identity to express his capability.
Srijnoday is an array of different activities categorized under Gyanoday, Abhasuday, Bhavuday, Kalauday and Pranuday.
The main idea behind these activities is to implant teaching of youth icon Swami Vivekananda and also to instill the spirit that competing is not about winning always. It's about preparation, courage, understanding and nurturing a child. We are conducting this event to assess the readiness of a child.
We feel immense pleasure to inform that this time Srijnoday 2021 is taking place virtually. Even this pandemic could not stop us to pursue our tradition of celebrating and providing the same platform that we used to do physically. Now, we proudly announce that this time we have received thousands of entries, not only from different states of our country, but also from countries all over the world.
This time, Srijnoday was open to all, which means anyone from anywhere could participate individually. Srijnoday has made a benchmark to receive entries not only from India but also from Australia, Dubai, Kuwait, Nigeria and Canada.
At the end, we would like to thank our principal, Mr. Piyush Punj, for his great ideology and thought process through which we got this platform to see the talent of young generation. We thank our Vice Principal, Mrs. Pallavi Bhardwaj, for her leadership skills. We thank the principal of other schools for showing the trust and interest of this vision of Srijnoday. We also thank all the judges for their fair judgment and to all the teachers and parents who took time to prepare their kids. Last but not the least, a big thank to all the students worldwide who made Srijnoday 2021 a successful event. Thank you.
Thank you, Monica and Jaskirat, for delineating Srijnoday. Let us see what all the judges want to share with you.
Namaste, myself Paramjeet.
Namaste, myself Deepthi Malhotra.
We are the judges of Kavyanjali. Really, it was a great experience to be judged Kavyanjali. Our parents and students, they are putting their hard efforts to make this program successful.
And very soon, result will be declared.
Namaste, myself Rishi Sharma.
Namaste, myself Shilpa. We got the opportunity to judge the participants under the title Subhashitam. Though judging is not an easy task, we have judged on the basis of criteria in which we saw their presentation, their content, their voice modulation and the language of clarity. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you.
Namaste, I Arpana. I have been a judge of Swamiji's Bhajan under the category of Gyanodaya, where students from class 5th to 7th participated. They prepared their bhajans in their melodious voices and sent their entries to us. And it was wonderful experience to judge them, and I saw their marvelous performances. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Urvashi Dikku.
Namaste, I am Mrs. Anita Mujumdar.
We were the judges for E-Magazine, the Alchemy. Really, it was a wonderful experience this year, as it was not only region-wise, it was worldwide this time.
This time we received videos from the students of class 8th, 9th and 11th, and really it was a wonderful experience. The videos were full of creativity and that showed the interest of students in the IT field during this pandemic time.
Students, really, your videos are appreciable. We both feel privileged to see your videos. You have put your best efforts. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
And best wishes. Thank you.
Namaste. I Poonam.
I Manpreet Kaur.
Have been the judges
of a Bhasude.
Thoughts and discourses of Swami Vivekananda. Judging these wonderful gems wasn't an easy task. Swami Vivekananda was a true mentor for all of us in our education world.
Best performance was given by each and every child. We are truly amazed to see
and judge their marvelous performance. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Mandeep Kaur, one of the judges of Swami Vivekananda Dress under the category of Abhasode. It was conducted for students of class 5th to 7th, and it was really a difficult task to judge because all the students performed with their full attention, and I am really thankful for all the students for their great performances. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं संगीता। आभासोदय के अंतर्गत पोएट डाइजेस्ट में मैंने जजमेंट का काम किया। बहुत ही अच्छा अनुभव था हमारे लिए, और देखकर और सुनकर बहुत ही प्रसन्नता हुई कि हमारे यहाँ पर इतने सारे नन्हे नन्हे रचनाकार जो हैं उन्होंने इतनी उत्कृष्ट कृतियाँ वहाँ पे प्रस्तुत की। बहुत बहुत शाबाश, धन्यवाद।
Namaste, I Baljinder. I got an opportunity to judge the competition Talking Titans under the title Bhavade. Judgment is not an easy task, especially when the participants are tiny tots. All the participants have participated with full enthusiasm and zeal. In the end, I really appreciate the efforts done by the parents and students.
Namaste, I am Ukta.
I Nirmala.
We got an opportunity to judge an event. It was a great and different experience to judge this event because this time it was a virtual mode to judge the participants, and moreover we got the entries worldwide.
We appreciate the efforts of the students as well as the parents. At last, we congratulate all the students for their wonderful performances. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Hema Saxena.
I am Leena.
And it was a great experience for us. And we have judged the students under the category of Bhavodaya. In this we have judged rhythmic symphony and on various parameters like originality, voice modulation, rhythm, pitch and selection of song.
It was really a wonderful experience to judge the various students from various parts of the world. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste, I am Jyoti. I am Shashi Agarwal. We both were the judges of Ulta Pulta competition under the category of Kalaode, in which many students were participated from class nursery to first.
Being a judge, it was a really great experience in which students who participated not only from the India, even across the world also.
We really appreciate the students' enthusiasm. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Mamta Dua.
Hi, Kiran Devi Thakur.
We're the judges for Shipomania that were held for standard 2, 3 and 4 under the category of Kalade.
The criteria for judgment was creativity, uniqueness, originality, theme. and we really would like to appreciate all the participants for the sincere efforts put by them and for their innovative ideas.
And we both are feeling very delighted to be the part of this judgment criteria where students from all over the world sent their creative entries. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अर्जुन है।
नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ किरण जोशी।
नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ बलू।
और आपने जो पोस्टर भेजे हैं स्वामी जी के, तो बहुत अच्छे कलर्स लगाए हैं, बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ आपने की हैं, सभी बहुत अच्छे हैं।
I was judging the activity collage making and the title was My Country, My Pride. It was a wonderful experience. I was surprised to receive the videos from the class 5, 6 and 7. The videos were really wonderful. It was very difficult for me to judge the students on different parameters. But it was a very good experience for me. Thank you.
I am judging the poster of Swami Vivekananda. The students are participating very actively. They are creating very good portrait of Swami Vivekananda.
Namaste, myself Swati.
Namaste, myself Ritu.
We both are judges of Pranodey Yogic Kala Category 1. Students of class 2, 3 and 4 participated in this category. Each student well represented their asana with proper posture, gestures and expressions. Yoga is a lifeline of every person. So keep practicing. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं आचार्य सुनील तत्गौतम।
नमस्ते, मैं गरिमा दीवान।
हमने यौगिक कला के अंतर्गत वर्ग 2 एवं 3 में निर्णायक की भूमिका निभाई। इसे करते हुए में बहुत ही गर्व की अनुभूति हुई। इसमें राष्ट्रीय एवं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर के छात्रों ने बहुत ही उत्कृष्ट भूमिका निभाई और अपना उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन दिया।
जो निर्णय आया है उससे आपको विद्यार्थियों द्वारा अवगत कराया। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, माई सेल्फ इंद्रजीत सिंह। आई एम द जज ऑफ सर्किट ट्रेनिंग। द कैटेगरी इज प्राणोदय। बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली स्कूल की तरफ से कि सृजनोदय के इस मौके पे मुझे जज बनने का एक मौका मिला।
Thank you so much, judges, for sharing your valuable experience with us. Stay with us till the end of the program because at the end we are going to announce the champion school and the most creative school trophy to all of you. There is a running trophy every year which always goes to the school having maximum outstanding grades, and this trophy this year goes to none other than Saint Vivekanand Millennium School with 83 outstanding grades. But our school has a tradition that this trophy will be forwarded to the second winner school. Mrs. Pooja Seth is here to announce that. I can approximate the inquisitiveness of parents, teachers and our beloved participants who are keenly waiting for the result announcements. Please note, in the result announcement, school names are arranged in alphabetical order. So, I request Renu Gautam to come forward and announce the results under the category Gyanodaya.
Thank you, Neha. Gyanodaya is the first competition of Srijnoday Vivekanand Smriti Samaroh. Gyanodaya means enlightenment, as Gyanodaya is divided into 4 categories, where category 1 Kavyanjali. Kavyanjali as poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words. This is the competition designed for the classes nursery, KG and first. Here, participants are supposed to submit their video reciting rhyme in Hindi or English on any theme. Now it's a time to announce the outstanding A1 holders. I request Akashdeep Shayan of class +1 for announcing the names.
नमस्ते, सेंट जोन्स हाई स्कूल चंडीगढ़, विहान मनहास, अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा, अकालजीत ऋषि, इनायत मलिक, सोमांशी सहगल एंड सेवी चौधरी, अनंत स्कूल परवानू, हिमाचल प्रदेश, अर्नब मित्तल एंड ऋषभ चौधरी, बद्दी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल सोलन, हिमाचल प्रदेश, दानुश चाबियाल, भारतीय विद्या भवन स्कूल कुवैत, कविश अग्रवाल, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा, पूर्वी, तुषांत अग्रवाल, वंश अग्रवाल, कवन सिंगला, सुविद्या मित्तल, मनीक आहूजा, आराध्या, रियांश मल्होत्रा, यशविन कंबोज, Amira Davesar, Ityasha, Anisha Goyal and Bhumika Khokar. Bluebird High School, Panchkula, Haryana, Avika Jain. DC Model School, Panchkula, Haryana, Ansh Verma, Krishna and Brahmjot Kaur. Delhi International School, Edge, New Delhi, Samik Kundal, Myra Parikh and Evelyn Dangar. Delhi Private School, Dubai, Vihan Bhardwaj and Anna Nicole D'Souza. Aisha School, Parwani, Himachal Pradesh, Kavya Mahant. Dalmis Sunbeam School, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Amolika Chaurasia. Gopalan National School, Bangalore, Purav Sumit Banodkar. Indian Education School, Kuwait, Ivan Sara Jason, Divik Muradkar, Divansh Parekh, Kanishk, R.S. Harshini, Riyansh Agarwal, Daksh. Infant Jesus Kindergarten School, Anika Gupta. Jack and Jill, Kuwait, Heta Nayam Kumar Patel. Learning Path School, Mohali, Arshia Singla, Alia. Lucknow Public School, Uttar Pradesh, Shloka Jha, Shreyan Kalani, Agrima Malviya. Mindtree School, Ambala, Haryana, Advik Sahu. Motiram Arya Modern Public School, Panchkula, Haryana, Mannat, Abhay, Arab and Shrishti. Noble High School, Pinjore, Haryana, Gurnoor Puri. Ruby Park Public School, Kolkata, West Bengal, Akira Prabhakar. Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, Shrestha Shriram and K. Naika. Shri Ramakrishna National School, Chennai, D. Dikshan. Saint Teresa Convent School, Panchkula, Haryana, Ishwani and Mokshwar. Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Haryana, Ashi, Darshil, Tavish Thapa, Manan Atri, Harshit Juneja, Harshita Chander. Stepping Stone Secondary School, Chandigarh, Dilraj Singh.
In Gyanodaya, second category is Subhashishtam. Subhashishtam as Shloka is the beautiful creation of gurus in words. This is designed for the classes 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Here, participants are supposed to submit the video reciting shlokas on any theme. Congratulations to all the participants, and again I invite Akashdeep Sayan of +1 for announcing the outstanding A1 holders.
अमरावती विद्यालय, पंचकुला, हरियाणा, यशिका चौधरी. अनंत स्कूल, परवाणू, हिमाचल प्रदेश, सूर्यश गौतम. भवन विद्यालय, पंचकुला, हरियाणा, स्वर्णदीप मैती, हर्षिता कंबोज, निकुंज खुराना. ब्लू बर्ड हाई स्कूल, पंचकुला, हरियाणा, प्रियांशी ठाकुर. डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल, चंडीगढ़, काश्विनी शर्मा and Vaibhav Fanda. DC Model Senior Secondary School, Panchkula, Haryana, Manvik and Yash Mehra. Delhi International School, Edge, New Delhi, Archit Mishra. Aisha School, Parwanu, Himachal Pradesh, Pragya Guleria. Indian Language School, Nigeria, Vihan Mehta and Dhruv Rathi. Lucknow Public School, Lucknow, Mukund Mishra. Motiram Arya Modern Public School, Panchkula, Haryana, Arvind Bhargav, Arav Bajpai and Sanjeevi Chauhan. Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, Panati Viraj, Samarth Pratap Singh and Sumed Tulsi. Smart Indian, Jalil Kuve, Veda Nayak Kumar Patel. Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Haryana, Sargun, Riddhima Sharma. The Sky World School, Panchkula, Haryana, Sahaj Bal.
Swamiji's Bhajan is the third category in Gyanodaya. It is designed for the classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Here, all participants are supposed to submit their video reciting Swamiji's bhajan in Hindi only. Again, I invite Akashdeep Sayan of +1 for announcing the outstanding A1 holders. Congratulations to all.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा आयुषी बंसल, अनंत स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश सांभवी शर्मा, ब्लू बर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा रणवीर शुक्ला, एंजल कश्यप, नैना वर्मा, डीसी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा फालक जौहर, मुकुल गर्ग, प्रीति, हर्षिता, शौर्य चौहान एंड दिव्यांशी कुमार, डेलिमस सनबीम स्कूल रोहिनिया सिमरन त्रिपाठी, इंडियन लैंग्वेज स्कूल लेगस नाइजीरिया वेदी पारिक, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल उत्तर प्रदेश प्रतीक सिंह, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद तेलंगाना राम्या प्रिया, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा नैतिक ईमान कामाक्षी, रमनदीप कौर, कृष्णा प्रिया एंड निश्चल.
Alchemy E-Magazine is the fourth category of Gyanoday. Alchemy E-Magazine. A magazine, a relevant one, should be a sound, not an echo. Here, all the participants have to make video explaining the given theme. Again, I invite Akashdeep Sayan for announcing the names of outstanding A1 holders. Congratulations to all.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा सिमरनप्रीत कौर एंड आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा, अनंत स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश प्रगुण गोयल, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा मान्या मुंगिया, ब्लू बर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा शर्ली, डीसी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा युविका, MRA मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा ऋषिका चोपड़ा, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद तेलंगाना अश्रिता कोथा, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा नाबिया फारूकी.
Wonderful. A big congratulate and a lot of appreciation to all the participants and grade holders, especially the parents who have put faith, hope and love together and have raised a positive person in the society. Requesting the audience, stay tuned with us till the end of the ceremony as the link for e-certificates will be shared to you soon. Now it's time to acknowledge the talent of students under Abhasuday. For announcing the same, I would like to request Pooja Seth to come forward and announce the results.
Thank you, Mrs. Neha. Abhasuday means attachment or feel from the core of the heart. In this, we have included all the topics related to our apostle, Swami Vivekananda. He is the real inspiration for all the age groups, but especially for the youth. The only motive of Abhasuday is to make our youth aware about Swami Vivekananda so that all can get benefited by his teachings, and our school always do efforts for the good to all. Now, we will move to category 1 of Abhasuday, that is Thoughts of Swami Vivekananda. And this activity is for classes nursery, KG and first. Participants had to make a short video on thoughts of Swamiji, and the time limit for the video is 1 to 2 minutes. They will dress up in the guise of Swami Vivekananda. And now we are going to announce the outstanding A1 grade holders, and the names are
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा रियांशी मक्कर, भारतीय विद्या भवन कुवैत फरहान साजिद, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा लाइशा अग्रवाल, आद्या आर, जय शर्मा, भूमिक खोखर, अनाया, जन्या गोयल, ब्लूबर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला प्रियांश शर्मा, DAV स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा आद्विक, Delmas Sunbeam School, Varanasi, Ridansh Srivastava, DAV Model School, Chandigarh, Riyansh Sharma, Riyansh Mittal, Anvesha Sapaiya, Ashish Kumar, DAV School, Panchkula, Ekansh, Samriddhi, DC Model School, Panchkula, Haryana, Arnav Rawat, Harshvardhan Vats, Delhi International School, H, Delhi, Vanya Sinha, DPS Dubai, Ariba Qureshi, Kontia Ahire, Aishar School, Parvano, Himachal Pradesh, Rishabh Dev Rawat, Gopalan National School, Bangalore, Ayushman Paricha, Adya R, Indian Educational School, Kuwait, Aliza Sheikh, Heta Nayan Kumar Patel, Indian Educational School, Kuwait, Aliza Sheikh, Jack and Jill's Bhavan, Kuwait, Heta Nayan Kumar Patel, Learning Path School, Mohali, Alia, Lucknow Public School, Lucknow, Samrat Katiyar, MRA Modern School, Public, Panchkula, Tisha, St. Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Arya, Bhavya Bharadwaj, Vinayak Pal, Mishti, Divyanshi Sharma, Aradhya, Manan Atri, Ashi, Sakshat Jain, Ansh, Gunika, Tavish Thapa, Anshuman Singh, Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, J. Sai Avantika, P. Lalita, St. John's High School, Chandigarh, Haryana, Vihan Manhas, Vashisht Public School, Una, Himachal Pradesh, Advik Vasudev.
Second category for Abhasuday is Discourses of Swamiji, and this activity is for classes 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Participants had to prepare a short video of 2 to 3 minutes on the discourses of Swamiji, and the names of outstanding A1 grade holders for this activity are
Amravati Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana, B. Varchaswani Mishra, Bhavan Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana, Sanvi, Harshit Kamboj, Bluebird High School, Panchkula, Akshat Sharma, DC Model Senior Secondary School, Panchkula, Haryana, Yash Mehra, DAV Public School, Panchkula, Haryana, Sia Chanana, Ananya Vajpayee, Indian Educational School, Kuwait, Josfal George, Lucknow Public School, Lucknow, Varnika, Apurva Sani, MRA Modern Public School, Panchkula, Sakshi Kumari Nayak, Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, Anupriya Sarkhel, St. Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Lavanya, Ayush Pal, Akshita Singh, Divyanshi.
Third category for Abhasuday is Swami Vivekananda's address, and this category is for classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Participants had to prepare a short video on Swami Vivekananda's Chicago address. The time limit for the video is 3 to 5 minutes, and the names of outstanding A1 grade holders for this activity are
Amravati Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana, Namya Atri, Anand School, Parvano, Himachal Pradesh, Vanshansh Vats, Sambhavu Sharma, Bhavan Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana, Purvanjali, DC Model Senior Secondary School, Panchkula, Haryana, Daksh Jindal, Falak Johar, Manya Bansal, Lucknow Public School, Lucknow, Sumitra Trivedi, Arohi Yadav, Swarit Srivastava, Motiram Arya Modern Public School, Panchkula, Haryana, Kriti Sharma, Rajbir, Kanchan, Sapients Senior Secondary Public School, Pinjore, Haryana, Saksham Singh, Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, Dhruv G. Rao, St. Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Kamakshi Pal.
Fourth category for Abhasuday is Poets Digest. Poetry is the rhythmical creation of beauty in words. And this activity is for classes 8th, 9th and 11th. Participants had to write and recite a poem on the given theme, and that is solely self-composed. And the time limit for the video is 3 to 5 minutes. The names of the outstanding A1 grade holders for Poets Digest are
A1 student lists of Poets Digest: अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा सिमरनप्रीत कौर, स्नेहा वर्मा, आनंद स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश प्रगुन गोयल, ब्लूबर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा इशिता, मानसून ठाकुर, माही खरबंदा, सुहाना मनकोटिया छरवी, डीसी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा स्वस्ति त्रिपाठी, चेष्टा गुप्ता, सान्या पांडे, खुशी संगवन, सौम्या मल्होत्रा, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल लखनऊ तनुश्री पांडे, सेंट कबीर पब्लिक स्कूल चंडीगढ़ अनन्या मेहता, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर दिवांशी कौशिक, सुनिधि, सौरभ कुमार, नवलीन कौर, युक्ति, बलप्रीत कौर.
Wow! Celebrate, celebrate. A big round of applause for all the achievers, our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents proud. This realization is associated to the 3 mirrors of our school, which features the realization of Swami, Vivek and Anand. Let me remind you, stay tuned with us. Soon we are sharing the link for e-certificates. Moving up to the next category, Bhavoday. Renu Gautam is here to announce the results.
Bhavoday. Bhavoday is the third competition of Srijnoday Vivekanand Smriti Samaroh. Bhavoday means to express ourselves. Bhavoday is divided into 4 categories. Talking Titans. To laugh at yourself is to love yourself. Talking Titans is the first category of Bhavoday. Talking Titans is designed for the classes nursery, KG and first. Here, participants are supposed to make video on their favorite cartoon character and also mentioning why they like that character. A big congratulations to all the participants of Talking Titans. Now I invite Nidhi of class +1 for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of Talking Titans.
नमस्ते. अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा शायने घई और समायरा, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा रियांश मल्होत्रा, वैभवी राणा, यशविन कंबोज, अर्जुन कंसाल, मानिक आहूजा एंड जय शर्मा. ब्लू बर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा आराधिता, दलमेश सनबीम स्कूल वाराणसी जयेश कुमार, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़ अलीशा, दिल्ली प्राइवेट स्कूल दुबई दिया दीपक कुमार, वृंशी समृद्ध जलादी ईशाना शाह, आयशर स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश अरंध्या शर्मा, गोपालन नेशनल स्कूल बेंगलुरु सिद्धार्थ वेम्बूर, जैक एंड जिल भवन कुवैत हेता नयन कुमार पटेल, लर्निंग पाथ स्कूल मोहाली ध्वनि भाटिया, आलिया, आशिता वशिष्ठ, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल लखनऊ लवन्या त्रिवेदी, एमआरए मॉडल पब्लिक स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा प्रियांश एंड हर्षित सैनी, रूबी पार्क पब्लिक स्कूल कैलकाटा वेस्ट बंगाल आयुष हाजरा, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद तेलंगाना सबरेशता सरीराम एंड मोहम्मद मुहतसिम महुद्दीन, एसटी तेरेसा कन्वेंट सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा अवनी सोनी एंड प्रक्षित अरोरा, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा आशी अश्वी सीरत कौर हर्षिता चंदेल, स्टेपिंग स्टोन स्कूल चंडीगढ़ संभवी. Congratulations to all of them.
Thank you, Nidhi. Now let's move to the next category of Bhavoday. I am a scientist. Don't be a second Einstein. Let me the first one. I am a scientist is the second category of Bhavoday. Here, contestants should prepare a video while demonstrating a simple and short science experiment. I am a scientist is designed for the classes 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Congratulations to all the participants of I am a scientist. Now again I invite Nidhi to announce the outstanding award holders of I Am a Scientist.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा चाहत बंसल एंड सिद्धांत अरोरा, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा आराध्या कोहली एंड सानवी सायरा सिंगला रेयान गर्ग निकुंज खुराना, ब्लू बर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा अक्षत शर्मा एंड अक्षत श्रीवास्तव, DAV पब्लिक स्कूल कुरुक्षेत्र हरियाणा भव्या मित्तल, DAV स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा शांतनु गांगुली, दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एज न्यू दिल्ली आरव कौल, दिल्ली प्राइवेट स्कूल दुबई क्रिश एंगनेल रणवीर खत्री, आयशर स्कूल परवानो हिमाचल प्रदेश आराध्या दोंदियाल एंड कार्तिक प्रताप सिंह, गोपालन नेशनल स्कूल बेंगलोर जसमिता चौधरी CK एंड हर्षिका S, अवनीश सुमित बांदोकर, इंडियन एजुकेशन स्कूल कुवैत मोहित साई गानरपू, सारंग कृष्णा एंड जोफेल जॉर्ज, इंडियन लैंग्वेज स्कूल लैगोस नाइजीरिया विहान मेहता, लर्निंग पाथ स्कूल मोहाली रिद्धि भाटिया गुनसीरत कौर एंड विवान लूथरा, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल लखनऊ अर्जुन अवस्थी अरेज अकरम खान, रूबी पार्क पब्लिक स्कूल कैलकाटा वेस्ट बंगाल रीनी सिन्हा, शैमफर्ड फ्यूचरिस्टिक स्कूल कालका हरियाणा ओम राजेश लखानी, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद तेलंगाना बी पूर्वी लोकेश अग्रवाल, श्रींझाना सेथिल कुमार ई समृति प्रिया, अर्नव चौहान वी विघ्नेश.
Third category of Bhavoday is the Chronicles. The Chronicles, we are not makers of history, we are made by history. The Chronicles is designed for the classes 8th, 9th and 11th. Participants are supposed to document an exclusive piece of Indian history and create a video out of it while narrating it. Now it's a time to announce the names of all outstanding A1 holders. So I invite Nidhi of class +1 for announcing the names of outstanding A1 holders.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा काशवी, ब्लू बर्ड स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा लव श्रीवास्तवा, इंडियन लैंग्वेज स्कूल लागोस निगेरिया वैदई पारिक, लर्निंग पाथ स्कूल मोहाली सुमोली ठाकुर, रूबी पार्क पब्लिक स्कूल कैलकाटा वेस्ट बंगाल सूर्यवंशु चौधरी एंड अच्चई चटर्जी, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद आर मनविता एंड सोम मुखर्जी, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा त्रिशी वालिया.
Thank you, Nidhi. Rhythmic Symphony is the fourth category of Bhavoday, designed for the classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Here, contestants are instructed to prepare a video of their singing a song in any language. They can use any musical instrument and karaoke as background music. A big congratulations to all the participants of Rhythmic Symphony. Again, I invite Nidhi for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of Rhythmic Symphony. Thank you, Nidhi.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा काशवी, ब्लू बर्ड स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा लव श्रीवास्तवा, इंडियन लैंग्वेज स्कूल लागोस निगेरिया वैदई पारिक, लर्निंग पाथ स्कूल मोहाली सुमोली ठाकुर, रूबी पार्क पब्लिक स्कूल कैलकाटा वेस्ट बंगाल सूर्यवंशु चौधरी एंड अच्चई चटर्जी, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद आर मनविता एंड सोम मुखर्जी, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा त्रिशी वालिया.
For next category Kalauday, I invite Pooja Seth to come and announce the results.
Thank you, Mrs. Neha. Kalauday means the origin of artistic ideas. The imagination and innovative ideas already exist in our minds, but the need is to groom that inner strength. The only motive of Kalauday is to groom the artistic and creative ideas hidden inside. Now we will move to different categories in Kalauday. The first category is Ulta Pulta. Trendy is the last stage before Tracky, and this activity is for classes nursery, KG and first. Participants had to create a video of 1 to 3 minutes in which they would tell about their costume, and the costume should be prepared with the help of waste materials. And the outstanding A1 grade holders for Ulta Pulta are
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा रुद्राक्ष प्रसाद, काव्या ठाकुर, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा मानिक आहूजा, जय शर्मा, ब्लूबर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा आरुषि शर्मा, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़ आध्या सिन्हा, अशिस्त्रा, मनन कुमार, गर्वित, काव्याना ठाकुर, निकुंज श्रीवास्तव, समृद्धि चौधरी, सौम्या, तेजस प्रताप सिंह, शिवांक, कुंदल, अद्विक गुप्ता। सर ये अगले वाले कॉम्पिटिशन दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली शिवांक कुंदल, आयशर स्कूल परवानू हिमाचल प्रदेश अद्विक गुप्ता, जैक एंड जिल स्कूल कुवैत हेता नयन कुमार पटेल, लर्निंग पाथ स्कूल मोहाली अर्शिया, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल लखनऊ अन्वेषा तिवारी, मोतीराम आर्य मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा कानू प्रिया, परिणीता, संदीप कौर, तानुष, हर्षित सैनी, सृष्टि, तन्मय, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर वंश कुमार, आराध्य, आशी।
The second category for Kalaude is Shapes Mania. Heroes and creativity comes in all shapes and sizes. And this activity is for classes 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Participants had to create a scenery by using the different geometrical shapes with the help of paper. And now we will declare the names of outstanding A1 grade holders for Shapes Mania.
अमरावती विद्यालय पिंजौर हरियाणा ओम शर्मा, दक्ष शर्मा, सूर्यांश सिंह, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा राध्या अरोड़ा, समरवीर बंसल, शौर्य गुप्ता, आहाना, अथर्व गुप्ता, योगित गोयल, ब्लूबर्ड हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा तमन कौर तूर, राजदीप सेन, कनिष्क श्रीवास्तव, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़ कुशल संघविया, अभिलाषा, मयंक बिष्ट, आयुषी, डीसी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा मानविक, दिल्ली इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एच न्यू दिल्ली प्रखर रावत, यथार्थ चौहान, समृद्धि शर्मा, एनी कौर, जोफिल जॉर्ज, इंडियन एजुकेशनल स्कूल कुवैत अर्नव सागर सवंत, इंडियन लैंग्वेज स्कूल नाइजीरिया अभिनव, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल उत्तर प्रदेश आन्या अग्रवाल, मोतीराम आर्य मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा नमनदीप कुमार, अनुरीत कौर, पुनीत गुप्ता, पैरागॉन मॉडल स्कूल कालका हरियाणा वैष्णवी सैनी, सिस्टर निवेदिता स्कूल हैदराबाद तेलंगाना अर्नव चौहान, विशेष अग्रवाल, वी साई हनीश, श्री अंजना सेंथिल कुमार, तलारी अद्विता, अनीश दत्ता, सेंट टेरेसा कन्वेंट स्कूल पंचकुला तनिष्क वशिष्ठ, सेंट टेरेसा कॉन्वेंट स्कूल पंचकुला तनिष्क वशिष्ठ, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा अर्नव मंजू, सानवी, लविष्का मल्होत्रा, जीवनजोत कौर, कनिष्का शर्मा, अर्नव, शुभांग कुमार, श्रीजीता, स्वास्तिक, सरगुन, शुभांग कुमार, वैष्णवी, प्रत्यक्ष ठाकुर, आर्यन सिंह पुंदी, सेंट जेवियर्स हाई स्कूल पंचकुला हरियाणा अवंती, द स्काई वर्ल्ड स्कूल पंचकुला सहज बल।
The third category for Kalaude is My Country, My Pride, and this activity is for classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Participants had to prepare a collage on topic My Country, My Pride. Names of outstanding A1 grade holders for collage making are
A1 students of My Country, My Pride, अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा परीक्षा चौहान, माहिल रार अखिल, भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा मौली चक्रवर्ती, कुदरत अग्रवाल, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़ हरियाणा अनुषा, डीएवी स्कूल पटियाला गीतिका, इंडियन एजुकेशनल स्कूल कुवैत एरन लिज जैसन, कमल मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ईशानी दास, लखनऊ पब्लिक स्कूल रुपेश कुमार गुप्ता, समृद्धि वशिष्ठ, MRA मॉडर्न पब्लिक स्कूल कृति शर्मा, यशदीप सिंह, कंचन, शैमफोर्ड फ्यूचरिस्टिक स्कूल तनीषा केसरवानी, स्टेपिंग स्टोन सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चंडीगढ़ हरियाणा इंद्रपाल सिंह, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा शौर्य सेठ, शिवांग मंजू, अर्पित पनवर, निवेदिता शर्मा, दिविशा, सिया रोहिला, रमनदीप कौर.
The fourth category of Kalaude is poster of Swami Vivekanand, and this activity is for classes 8th, 9th and 11th. Participants had to make a poster on Swami Vivekanand on A3 size sheet, and the names of outstanding A1 grade holders for this activity are
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा निष्ठा शर्मा, अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा अनुपमा, आनंद स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश अवनी गंभीर, आभ्या सूद, डीसी मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पंचकुला हर्षित कुमार, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़ दिया कपूर, इबादत संधा, पीयूष मोहपात्रा, गवर्नमेंट मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल चंडीगढ़ हरमन धीमान, कमल मॉडल सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ध्वनि राठी, मोतीराम आर्य स्कूल चंडीगढ़ पारस वर्मा, नोबल हाई स्कूल पिंजौर श्रुति, नैना, अवरीत कौर, शैमफोर्ड फ्यूचरिस्टिक स्कूल गुंजन कुमारी, सेंट कबीर पब्लिक स्कूल पंचकुला दिया रामपाल, सोफिया कन्वेंट स्कूल कालका पंचकुला वंशिका जैन, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर विदांशु कंदपाल, प्रकृति वेदी.
Let's put our hands together and congratulate to all the winners. It is all because of their own perseverance, constancy and immovability that they are selected as champions. Adding to your information, you can download your e-certificates from the link that will be shared to you soon. Next and the last category is Pranoday. Distribution of amla and saunf is a part of it in our school. Renu Gautam is here to announce the results and add more information to us.
Pranoday is the fifth competition of Srijnoday Vivekanand Smriti Samaroh. Pranoday is divided into different categories. Category 1, Yogic Kala. Yoga is the journey of the self through the self and to the self. Category 1, Yogic Kala is designed for classes 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Here, participants have to prepare a video doing asanas like Brikasana, Halasana, Trikonasana and many more. Congratulations to all the participants of Pranoday, Category 1 Yogic Kala. Now it's a time to announce the outstanding A1 holders of Yogic Kala. I invite Sarthak Manju of 9th A for announcing the outstanding A1 holders. Thank you, Sarthak.
अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा अरुणजोत सिंह मानवी, केशव, बी वर्षस्वानी मिश्रा एंड मान्या. आनंद स्कूल परवाणू हिमाचल प्रदेश सुयश गौतम. भवन विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा आहाना, सानवी गर्ग, प्रांजल सिंगला, राधा अरोड़ा, आर्यन दत्ता, हर्षित कंबोज, संसिता गल्होत्रा and Anayesha Agarwal. Bluebird High School, Panchkula, Haryana, Charvi, Soumya Chauhan, Vansh Kumar Sharma, Sambhavi Talwar, Kanishk Srivastav, Hardik, Arushi Sharma and Hardik Bhonsle. DAV Model School, Chandigarh, Aditi Sharma and Myra Sharma. DC Model Senior Secondary School, Panchkula, Manvik and Kritika. Delhi International School Edge, New Delhi, Urvash Chhavda and Mahira Khanna. Delhi Private School India, Delisha Bharti. Indian Language School, Lagos, Nigeria, Dhruv Rathi. Kamal Kindergarten, Ritish Raj. Kamal Model Senior Secondary School, Atulya. Lucknow Public School, Uttar Pradesh, Divyanshi Kriplani and Divyana Kriplani. Moti Ram Arya Modern Public School, Panchkula, Haryana, Vamika and Anurit Kaur. Mount Litra Z Parmkudu, Tamil Nadu, Palak Sneh. Ruby Park Public School, Kolkata, West Bengal. Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad, Telangana, E. Samriti Priya. Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Haryana, Lavishka Malhotra, Sanvi Kaushal, Pushti Srivastav, Siddhi Sharma and Shrishti. Stepping Stone Senior Secondary School, Mansvi V. Karve. Vishwa Shiksha Niketan Senior Secondary School, Navya Sharma and Ritika Sharma. Congratulations to all.
Second category of Yogic Kala is designed for the classes 5th, 6th and 7th. Here, all participants have to prepare a video doing asanas like Surya Namaskar with mantras, Pad Paschimodhan Asan, Sarvang Asan, Purn Dhanura Asan and many more. Again I invite Sarthak Manju of 9th A for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of second category of Yogic Kala.
Bluebird High School, Panchkula, Haryana, Akshat Sharma. DAV Model School, Chandigarh, Angelina. DC Model Senior Secondary School, Panchkula, Haryana, Vinita and Jitendra Kumar. Delhi International School Edge, New Delhi, Birajita Panda. Kamal Model School, Harsh Bhardwaj and Raj Rajan. Lucknow Public School, Uttar Pradesh, Swasti Jha and Yashasvi Chauhan. Sister Nivedita, Hyderabad, Telangana, Ramya Priya. Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Haryana, Divya.
Third category of Pranodaya is Yogic Kala, which is designed for the classes 8th, 9th and 11th. Here, all the participants have to prepare a video doing asanas like Surya Namaskar with mantra, Purn Bhujangasana, Purn Chakrasana and many more. A big congratulations to all the participants. Again I invite Sarthak Manju for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of third category of Yogic Kala.
Amravati Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana, Mahidar, Abhay Pratap, Saksham Tyagi, Shreya Damodar Patil, Shreyansh Patil, Ayush Thakur and Sahil Kokwalia. Bluebird High School, Panchkula, Haryana, Rupendra Dharia. Kamal Model School, Harsh Rawat and Ayush Jha. Lucknow Public School, Uttar Pradesh, Unmukt Avasthi and Bhavya De. Saint Kabir Public School, Chandigarh, Navya Sharma. Saint Vivekanand Millennium School, Pinjore, Haryana, Kushagar Chasta, Vartika Srivastav, Sunidhi, Navroop Kaur, Vaishnavi Tripathi and Khushi. Congratulations to all.
Next category of Pranodaya is circuit training under 14 years old. Here all the students have to prepare a video doing circuit training like push-ups, sit-ups, on the spot fast running 30 steps, plank position 30-second hold, mountain climbers 30 steps, jumping jacks 20, alternate toe touch 10 times each side, fast running, high knee action 30 steps. So a big congratulations to all the participants. Again I invite Sarthak for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of circuit training under 14 category.
सर्किट ट्रेनिंग अंडर 14 अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा, तानिया तंवर एंड दीपेश बेनीवाल, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर पंचकुला हरियाणा, सचिन कुमार.
Next category for the circuit training is under 19 years. Here also students have to prepare a video doing circuit training like a plank to push-ups 15 plank and 15 push-ups, Russian twist 15 touch each side, 20 half jumps, side twist 15 each side, bicycle crunches 20, burpee jump 20 times, flutter kicks 30 times, crosses. A big congratulations to all the participants. Again it's a time to invite Sarthak for announcing the outstanding A1 holders of circuit training category 19 years old. Thank you Sarthak.
सर्किट ट्रेनिंग अंडर 19 अमरावती विद्यालय पंचकुला हरियाणा, ईशा सैनी, जतिन राठी, आशीष कुमार पांडे एंड साहिल सांख्या, डीएवी मॉडल स्कूल चंडीगढ़, राजा सिंह एंड गुरलीन कौर, सेंट विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल पिंजौर हरियाणा, खुशी दीवान एंड राहुल कुमार. Congratulations to all.
A big round of applause to all the outstanding performances. I am amazed to see the brilliant talent in our society. Marvelous results. Congratulations to all the school's parents and children. I would like to congratulate to all the hardest efforts to make their child participate in this mega event. Thank you so much everyone. Now, I would like to request our Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Pallavi Bhardwaj, to come and give a vote of thanks.
माँ ठाकुर स्वामी जी के चरणों में अभिनंदन. Namaste and a very warm welcome to one and all present in Srijnoday 2021. On behalf of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, I, Pallavi Bhardwaj, Vice Principal, and the entire fraternity of the Institute, welcome and give my sincere thanks to all present for this event. First of all, my congratulations to all the participants, especially A1 holders who had been showing their talent and which was appreciable. On behalf of my school, I give my heartfelt thanks to the chief guest of the day, Swami Atmagyananand Ji, Secretary Ramakrishna Mission, Chandigarh, who spent his busiest time to grace the occasion. And today, we were also very fortunate to hear his thoughts. Definitely, this is going to be encouraging for the new generation to come. Swamiji, your words have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. My sincere thanks goes to Mr. Sudhir Baveja, Speaker of the Day, who had for the ignoring the occasion and sharing his opinion and making the day meaningful and interesting by his honest words. My special thanks to our Venerable Principal, Mr. Piyush Punch, being a catalyst and inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. With deep sense of appreciation, I thank all the staff members within the organization for the festival event. We are fortunate enough to be supported by the team of a very active and a dedicated employees in our organization. My sincere gratitude goes to all the parents and well-wishers who has been encouraging us on time to time and giving us support by preparing the children. Thank you very much for joining us. My special thanks to the participants from abroad who had been practicing and performing and also mesmerizing our judges and making their work more difficult, because assessing so talented children was not an easy job. which these children had showed our judges that what actually is judgment. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, I would like to thank Mrs. Monica and Mr. Jaskirat, who had been taking a lead and been doing their best in organizing this event. My sincere gratitude to all the participating schools and their management for allowing their teachers and the students to participate in this event. Last but not the least, my big thanks goes to each one of you who made this day memorable for us. I would like to end my vote of thanks with a small quote. Sky is the limit. The only way of finding the limit of the possible is going beyond the impossible. Thank you once again, and looking forward to meet you next year with more energy in Srijnoday 2022. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you so much, ma'am. No pandemic can stop educators. No pandemic can stop children. Whether it is a campus or virtual, children is always touching our hearts, and parents put immense efforts to make their child outshine. And this is the only mission of our school, to make every child an ideal citizen. We want to see Swami Vivekananda in them. It was delight to watch all the entries. It was a huge success. For a mother, her child is best, and it is very difficult to judge who is better than best. Now, the most awaited information. All the participants can download their e-certificates from the link showing below and from the website of our school. Be with us for the feedback video.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Don't believe that you are weak. Don't believe that you are half crazy lunatics, as most of us do nowadays. You can do anything and everything without even the guidance of anyone. Stand up and express the divinity within you. Greetings to all on 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. I am reminded of this inspiring quote by him. A quote which even a new generation ought to realize in this cutthroat competitive age.
Thanks Vivekananda Millennium School, Punjab for giving our kids this opportunity to be a part of Srijnoday 2021. It was a great pleasure to participate in this show, especially for our kids who are in Middle East. This was an opportunity to know about the great culture of India. I have to personally thank school representative Mrs. Monica ma'am for answering all our queries at any time without any hesitation. We look forward to participate in more activities conducted by the school in future. Thank you.
Thanks for the opportunity to participate in your event. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Myself Anupriya Shorkal from Sister Nirvita School had a great experience as a participant in Srijnoday 2021 Vivekananda Smriti Samharoh. It was not just a competition for me. This program has enriched as well as enlightened me. Swamiji's valuable words, his philosophy of education, his call to the youth inspire one and every Indian, and I am proud to be one amongst them. While preparing myself for this program, I have learned a lot about this great leader. It was a privilege for me to be a part of this program, and I am thankful to the organizers as well as my school for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you once again.
Namaste Vanandal. I am Shivansh Mishra from 5th Standard, Sister Nivedita School, Hyderabad. On the auspicious occasion of Swami Vivekananda's 158th birth anniversary, I would like to thank Srinoday for this virtual program. First of all, I would like to thank my school and my teachers who encouraged me. I thank Srinoday for this golden opportunity which you have given us. We knew a very little of Swami Vivekananda's life, but from this we came to know something new. From my experience, I can say that participation is more important than winning. A great man said that do something to learn but not to win. I thank Bhuvneshwari Devi to give birth a great monk. I thank Narendra Datta for his social and religious work which has changed the society. I thank Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa for showing him the way. And I thank Swamiji for his student, Sister Nivedita, who has served the needy. Some of the great lines of Swami Vivekananda are, what is the use of a religion if it can't wipe the tears of a widow? I thank Srinoday and Swami Vivekananda once again. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं विधान जोशी कक्षा यूकेजी का छात्र हूँ। मैं भवन विद्यालय स्कूल में पढ़ता हूँ। मुझे इस कविता में भाग लेकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैं आगे भी भाग लेते रहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम नीलम शर्मा है। मैं एक अध्यापिका हूँ। सृजनोदय के माध्यम से विवेकानंद मिलेनियम स्कूल के ने बहुत अच्छा प्रयास किया है विवेकानंद जी की शिक्षाओं को युवा पीढ़ी तक पहुंचाने का। मेरे बेटे ने भी भवन विद्यालय स्कूल की ओर से इस प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया है और उसने एकता शक्ति कविता सुनाई। मुझे यह कविता बहुत अच्छी लगी और बहुत सी बातें सीखने को मिली। ऐसी प्रतियोगिताओं से बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन मिलता है और उनका हौसला बढ़ता है। मैं तहे दिल से स्वामी विवेकानंद स्कूल का धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने यह प्रतियोगिताएं रखकर बच्चों को निखरने का मौका दिया और उनका हौसला बढ़ाया। धन्यवाद।
We are going to announce the champion school and the most creative school trophy to all of you. Our school has a tradition that this trophy will be forwarded to the second winner school, and the second winner school is Mrs. Pooja Seth is here to announce that. Let's see.
Now it's the time to present your very important section of today's ceremony. Firstly, I am going to announce the name of the most creative school. Students from this school have shown the outstanding and marvelous performance in the different activities and have become the pioneer of today's event. And the award for the most creative school goes to Lucknow Public School, Uttar Pradesh. Tons of congratulations to all the participants and the staff members of Lucknow Public School for this marvelous feat. Very soon you will receive your trophy and it will be sent to your school. I am impressed with the achievements of everyone here today, but I am especially in awe of those whose efforts are rewarded today. Now I am going to announce the most awaited award, that is for the champion school. Every year we are giving this running trophy for this award. This award is for the school which has shown maximum outstanding performances on this mega event of Srijnoday. Total 53 students from this school have been shown outstanding performance in different categories, and your participation matters a lot because it helps us to attain our motive, that is to make our youth aware about the teachings of Swami Vivekananda. And the award for the champion school goes to the Bhavan Vidyalaya, Panchkula, Haryana. Many congratulations to all the participants and the staff members of Bhavan Vidyalaya. Once again, I congratulate to all of you.
I will request everyone to join us for the national anthem.
Be ready for national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Thank you so much everyone who were with us throughout the show. Namaste.